Are you ready to elevate your photography and videography to a new level of artistic expression? The Sony Alpha 7 III isn't just a camera, it's a gateway to unlocking your creative potential. This full-frame mirrorless marvel, paired with the versatile 28-70mm kit lens, has quickly become a favorite among both professional photographers and passionate enthusiasts alike. But what makes this camera so special? And is it worth the investment? Let's dive deep into a comprehensive review where we'll explore its strengths, weaknesses, real-world customer experiences, and help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Over 400 plus of these impressive cameras have been purchased in the last month, indicating that many have found this camera to be worth the value and investment. The Sony Alpha 7 III is a full-frame mirrorless camera designed to deliver exceptional image quality, high-speed performance, and incredible versatility. At its core is a 24.2p back-illuminated Exmor R CMOS sensor, which provides outstanding dynamic range, impressive low-light capabilities, and stunning detail in both photos and videos. This isn't just about megapixels, it's about how these pixels perform, especially in challenging conditions. The 28-70mm f3.5 5.6 kit lens offers a practical zoom range for everyday shooting, making it suitable for a wide array of subjects from sweeping landscapes to detailed portraits and everything in between. The camera features a lightning-fast hybrid autofocus system with 693 phase detection points covering 93% of the image area, ensuring your subjects are always in sharp focus, whether they are standing still or moving rapidly. In-body 5-axis image stabilization IBIS compensates for camera shake, allowing you to capture sharp, blur-free images and smooth videos even when shooting handheld, which gives you a lot more freedom when creating content. The camera captures beautiful 4K video with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, which allows for high resolution and high quality video. The rugged and weather-sealed body makes it ideal for demanding shooting situations, and you can confidently use this camera in tough situations. Dual SD card slots provide additional storage flexibility, and the long-lasting battery ensures you can shoot for hours. This camera is not just a tool, it's a powerful companion for your creative journey. The Sony Alpha 7 III boasts numerous advantages that set it apart in the competitive full-frame mirrorless market. Exceptional image quality. The 24.2 full-frame sensor delivers images with incredible detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. This means vibrant colors, rich tones, and minimal noise even in dimly lit environments. Versatile 28-70mm lens. The included kit lens provides a useful zoom range for various shooting scenarios, and its performance is remarkably sharp for a standard kit lens, making it a great place to start. Lightning-fast autofocus. The hybrid autofocus system with 693 phase detection points ensures your subjects are always in sharp focus, whether they're standing still or moving quickly. It is very reliable and accurate for both photography and video. In-body image stabilization. The 5-axis IBIS provides up to 5 stops of shake compensation, allowing for sharp handheld images and smooth videos, which are usually hard to achieve without additional accessories. Professional quality 4K video. Capture stunning 4K video with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, which allows for high-quality videos with great clarity and detail. Robust and reliable build. The weather-sealed body makes it durable and dependable in a variety of shooting conditions and provides peace of mind to users. User-friendly interface, the intuitive menus, vari-angle LCD screen, and high-resolution electronic viewfinder make composing and reviewing shots incredibly easy. Long battery life. A single charge provides enough power for extended shooting sessions, which is critical for professional work and long outings. Dual SD card slots offers extra storage flexibility, ensuring you can keep shooting without interruptions. Excellent low-light performance. The camera excels in low-light conditions, capturing clear and detailed images even with high ISO settings, allowing for more versatility in challenging environments. Cons, areas for consideration. While the Sony Alpha 7 III is a phenomenal camera, there are a few areas that potential buyers should consider. Kit lens limitations. Although the 28-70mm lens is versatile, it has a variable aperture, f/3.5, 5.6, which may not be ideal for low light situations or creating shallow depth of field effects. Upgrading to a faster prime lens can significantly improve image quality and creative possibilities, however, that may require additional spending. Menu system complexity. Although improved, some users may find the menu system a bit complex and overwhelming, requiring time to learn and master, which can be a barrier to some less experienced users. LCD screen. The LCD screen is not the highest resolution available in this class, and it can be somewhat difficult to see in bright sunlight, making it harder to see your shots. Rolling shutter. While the 4K video is excellent, the rolling shutter effect can be noticeable during fast camera movements, which can affect the overall quality of the shot. Price point. The camera is priced at $2,298 USD, which, while competitive, is still a significant investment that may not be accessible to everyone. Customer reviews, what real users are saying. The Sony Alpha 7 III has garnered a wealth of positive reviews from photographers and videographers around the world. Here's a summary of what real users are saying. Positive feedback. Image quality. Many users are blown away by the exceptional image quality, citing the dynamic range, detail, and low light performance as standout features. They frequently describe the images as being crisp, vibrant, and professional grade. Autofocus. The autofocus system is often praised for its speed, accuracy, and reliability, which allows for smooth and accurate videos as well. Users also love the eye autofocus. Video capabilities. Videographers appreciate the 4K recording capabilities, the lack of pixel binning, and the overall quality of the video footage. They found it to be a reliable choice for professional and enthusiast use alike. Versatility. The camera is often described as incredibly versatile, able to handle a wide range of shooting scenarios and perform well in all kinds of settings and lighting situations. Build quality and ergonomics. Users appreciate the robust build quality and the comfortable ergonomics, which allows them to shoot for long hours comfortably. Nor battery life. The long battery life is a recurring positive, allowing users to shoot for long periods of time without interruptions. Customizability. Users have praised the many different ways that the camera can be customized for individual preferences, allowing them to get the best out of the camera and tailor it to their own needs. Constructive criticism. Kit lens. Limitations. Some users note the limitations of the kit lens, often recommending investing in a sharper prime lens for better results. Menu complexity. The menu system is sometimes criticized for being overly complex, requiring a learning curve to fully utilize the camera's features and customizations. Rolling shutter. Some have commented that the rolling shutter is present in fast movements and when panning quickly. LCD screen visibility. A few users have mentioned that the LCD screen can be hard to see in direct sunlight. Price point and value. So we're saying the Sony Alpha 7 III with the 28-70mm lens is priced at $2,098 USD. While this is a considerable investment, it is often considered a good value when considering the camera's performance, versatility, and overall quality. Compared to other full-frame mirrorless cameras in its class, the Alpha 7 III offers a compelling blend of features, performance, and a wide selection of compatible lenses. For serious photographers and videographers, the camera's capabilities can pay off over time through the quality of work it allows them to produce. Given the number of units sold in the last month, over 400, it appears many believe it to be a worthwhile investment. Conclusion. Is the Sony Alpha 7 III right for you? The Sony Alpha 7 III is a phenomenal full-frame mirrorless camera that excels in both photography and videography. Its exceptional image quality, lightning-fast autofocus, in-body image stabilization, and 4K video capabilities make it a powerful tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. While it has a few limitations, such as the kit lens and complex menu system, the pros significantly outweigh the cons. If you are looking for a versatile, high-performing camera that can handle a wide range of shooting scenarios and deliver outstanding results, the Sony Alpha 7 III is an excellent choice. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an aspiring creator, this camera will help you capture your world with incredible detail and clarity, unlocking your creative potential and pushing your boundaries. Ready to experience the power and versatility of the Sony Alpha 7 III for yourself? Click the link in the description below to learn more and make it yours today. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more in-depth tech reviews, photography tips, and creative inspiration.